Welcome to Proposal Quick Start, PQS. We're going to walk through the steps to run the requirements gap analysis. Click on the Compare Documents button on the far left. Click on the gap analysis to select it. I dragged and dropped the RFP document into the RFP panel on the left. Next, I dragged and dropped the proposal document into the proposal panel. Click the Run button to start the analysis process. The analysis process has completed. The requirement gap analysis is ready for your review. Click the Gap Analysis button to open the report. We are in the Requirement Gap Analysis report. The first tab is the scores results. The requirement paragraphs on the left with blue backgrounds are from the RFP. Next to each paragraph is a color-coded cell. Red denotes not matching paragraphs were found in the proposal. Yellow with a quantity number indicates how many weak responses to the RFP paragraph. Green with a quantity number indicates how many strong responses to the RFP paragraph. If you want to see the detailed view with the related proposal paragraphs, click the page number, paragraph number. See the blue arrow for reference. Again, the RFP text is on the left with blue background. The paragraphs on the right of the RFP are from the proposal. These two paragraphs are weak matching, meaning they don't fully respond to the RFP paragraph. I scrolled down a bit to show you a strong matching proposal paragraph denoted with a green background. To learn more about our requirement gap analysis, please feel free to schedule a quick demo.